So I found a way how to fix the plastic part a bit because I broke it. So what I'm gonna do is my you know what it is. I don't have to say it. And I'm just gonna let it heat. I don't know, you can see it. It's getting smoky a little bit. So this is a way I do without using like a Gorilla Glue, super glue, or plastic glue, whatever. I just do this way. And it takes probably like 3 minutes, 4 minutes to solder back onto the plastics. So alright, let's see. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit. You know what I should did was ever had like a alligator clamp, just clamp it onto here and just heat it, but I didn't do that. But you can see that it actually whatever. So look, see, doesn't fall off. So yeah. And I should use aluminum tape. Could have used aluminum tape, but you can see that it actually works. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put aluminum tape right here, so I don't have to burn off the damn plastic. Just put like some right here. So yeah.